Hi, I'm Lucy.
Hi, I'm Olivia.
Today we are learning to draw a magic potion.
Dun dun dun!
You ready?
Let's begin, guys.
The first one, we draw an oval, a half oval, okay? The top, we have to leave the space for the cork, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, that's right. And then we draw an arc in the middle, right here. And draw another oval on the top, here. Yeah, very good. Okay, so this oval is the top of the cork.
Yeah.
Okay, the top of the cork is a larger, and the bottom we're gonna draw like until here is a smaller. Okay, so now we do this part. Cause see, the top is larger and the bottom is smaller. Okay, so another part of it is connect from here. Okay. Okay, so now we draw the bottleneck. The bottleneck is pretty long, so you have to see. You have to draw like here, right? So when you draw, you be careful, sew down. Here, this part. Yes, right? Of the glass bottle, right here. Nice. So this bottom, I draw a little flag. Okay. So we use a pencil to draw the thickness in the middle. So follow the shape. You don't have to connect the whole one. So some use a, for example, like this corner, you don't have to connect it. Okay. So here we use. You follow the shape. Right here, we follow the shape, but here don't have to connect. Okay, and then here you could connect a little bit, right? Oh. So the last step, we draw the magic potion and a bottle. Use pencil. So this part we could like this. We could just add some line, follow the shape. And the second layer is here. You could do like this and follow the shape. Okay, so the last part, yeah, the second layer. The last part we could add some bubble, right? Because it's potion. Even here I could add one. Right? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So we are done with the line. So now we start the coloring.
Let's begin, guys.
We are done.
Yeah, guys, it looks so cool. And if you scroll through our videos, you will find another video of us drawing a potion. But instead of having green liquid, there's black liquid and a skull. So if you're interested in that, you can scroll and try to find it.
That one is pretty cool too, right? Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Subscribe if you like this video. Comment down below what we should draw next. Bye guys, see you next time.
Bye bye.